guys, welcome back to RW Studios for another college vlog. The past 2 weeks have been very hectic with exams and lab reports, so I'm hoping this week will be better, and I'm trying to promote that by also vlogging. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, take you all along with me, and show off my week. Today's Monday, April 10th, and I'm gonna be starting off my day here in my apartment because I'm gonna work on a lab report that's due tonight for Mom Lab. It's the 4th lab report, and it's pretty short compared to the other 3 that I've been doing through the semester. So I'm just gonna try to knock out the rest of it this morning, and then later on go to campus and take care of some stuff happening over there. In the last video, you saw me working on lab report 2, but now we're moved on to lab report 4. This morning, I'm gonna start on the results section, get that done with, and try to knock out everything, hopefully by like 1 o'clock. So update, I've finished with the results section and I'm going through the discussion, which I'm about halfway done with. And then after that, just gotta finish the conclusion, doing an uncertainty analysis, and then the abstract and some other smaller things, and I'll be done. I know before I said I'd like to finish before 1 o'clock, but I'm thinking this will probably be by 4 o'clock now, which is fine, but that is where I'm at right now. So I did end up making it to a good spot around 4 o'clock. I finished everything except for the uncertainty analysis, but that was about the time that I went to campus for dinner and also for a meeting with my team for the Mom Lab final project. Okay, just got to campus and I'm going to go pick up some food from the spot. All right, so now it's 11:45 at night, and you know, honestly, not that much interesting stuff happened since the last clip. Honestly, it was all Mom Lab work for both the Lab 4 that I actually got to turn in tonight, and also for starting my final project and meeting with my team for that. But I am exhausted, so I'm going to go to my apartment, get some rest, and we'll pick it all back up tomorrow. Okay, so it's Tuesday now. I'm sitting out in front of the chemistry building, finishing up some breakfast before my second lecture of the day, which is organic chemistry. And it's actually 10:35, so I'm gonna go ahead and start making my way over there now. I think that's good. I think five. I don't really know Alexander, though I'm well acquainted with his big Xander. Yeah. All right, it's 1 o'clock in the morning now, and I just got back to my apartment. Yes, I have been on campus for the entire day, but I'm back now. Most of it was just being at Marston working on my numerical homework, which was due at 11:59. Now that the Mom Lab stuff is done for a while and this numerical assignment got turned in, my week is suddenly now so much lighter. So this is the day that I pretty much just stayed at home and just did random stuff. Since today's kind of been a break day, I've just been continuing this painting, and it's kind of coming along. I feel like you can see the vision now of where this is going. Right, so it's Thursday now. I've already done my mom lab lecture this morning in my bedroom, and ate some breakfast. Now I'm just waiting for the bus to come to go to campus, and then I'm gonna go to orgo lecture, but I probably won't show it since I did that for the Tuesday footage. So basically that's what's about to happen. Yesterday, as you saw, was kind of more of like a recovery day. I didn't really do too much in the way of homework and school. So it was like a nice way to reset after like 2.5 weeks of just non-stop going. So now I feel a little bit more refreshed going back to campus today. And honestly, my workload for today isn't too bad either. So I'm probably just gonna stick around Marston for just maybe like 2 or 3 hours and then head back here, and then figure out what's happening for the rest of the day.
C.
Calvin.
E.
Rachel.
S.
Space.
Space.
Yeah, it was definitely.
All right, so I left the library. We finished the puzzle, and that fun bit is done with now. But now we are at the band practice field because there is a haunted house being hosted by TPED, the Theme Park Engineering and Design Club, and me and my friend Samuel are gonna go check it out. So that's where I am now. I'm parked in the parking garage, which is actually not as full as I thought it would be because right now is also the orange and blue game, and I figured there'd be a lot more cars in this area. Messed up. Ooh, okay, so we're going inside.
Come on, come on! Step right up, it's a carnival! Tickets, please!
Oh, okay.
You know what that means? Where is it?
Okay. Also be careful because the game. That was TPED's haunted house. It was really cool, and I think they've been working on it for a while, at least over a year. So it's cool that they got to finally show it off. I might be wrong, but I'm pretty sure they're going to be coming back with the haunted house in October around Halloween time, and maybe adding on to it. I have no idea though. I'm not really affiliated that much with the club, but that could be cool if it does come back.
Jubilee.
Yes, sorry.
Yeah, the Juhi video.
Do you need help with anything, Sam?
Yeah. The lighting here is so good.
It is actually. This is perfect.
Yeah. Oh no!
Equal to f square brackets. Let's look at it.
Here it is.
Right now we are eating
my
lunch
folder's
at
so
Sweet Berries
It barely
with
makes
Michael. We just had pesto chicken sandwiches.
Not 10 minutes.
5 minutes, it's 5 minutes.
5 minutes?
Here in the face! Are they supposed to be trying to get each other's tails?
Right now we're in the DML lab and we're working on a Turner's cube with Ariana. And we just finished zeroing the Turner's cube, so now we're gonna get ready to start counterboring. So right now we're counterboring with a 1/2-inch counterbore. We're going in 112 thou. So here's the final product. This is the Turner's cube finished. You can see it looks like there's 3 cubes within each other. Pretty cool design. Okay, so that was a week in my life, and it just so happened to be a really weird week with a lot of random stuff happening that I don't really normally do. Short film, music video, actually having a day off from school, haunted house, dinosaurs in Marston, making a cube for a class that I haven't taken for over a semester. It was just wacky, but that's just how life is sometimes. So that's what happened. And also you got to see some of my coursework and the things I had to do for it, just in case anyone out there is interested in that kind of stuff for like when you get to the junior year level for mechanical engineering. But anyways, that's it for this video. Hope you all enjoyed. This one's actually probably going to be the last one for the semester 6 vlogs. So it was like another shorter season with 4 videos, but it was pretty busy this semester, so it was pretty hard to edit the videos, as you can see with me releasing this 2 months after the fact. But hopefully maybe fall will be better. Anyways, I'll see you all soon. Thank you for watching.